Fam, what's going on with y'all, baby? It's Fetty G with SSK Kennels, fam. Now, this video, I apologize about the blood, but this is for educational purposes only, fam. Callie have had her puppies May the 10th, fam, yesterday, via C-section, fam. Today is May 11th, fam. You see this blood. Callie water broke today. So Callie is emulating as if she is going to have her puppies natural. This is Mother Nature. Her body naturally does this, fam. So we did a reverse progesterone test. The numbers was super low. It was a 2 point something. We went ahead and we pulled them yesterday. Today, she is in labor as if she would have had them natural. So that let me know we pulled them perfectly on time. This is good because her body is releasing now oxytocin with her going into labor. That is going to allow her to produce more milk. She have milk, but she'll produce even more milk. But this is good, fam. This is good. Let me know if you want me to expand on this even more. I'm out of here, baby. Love y'all.